to believe you are thinking of me. And when the sun comes through your window, I like to believe you've been dreaming of me. Dreaming. I know, 'cause I've spent half this morning thinking about the t-shirt you sleep in. I should know, 'cause I'd spend all the whole day listening to your message I'm keeping. And never delete.
This is the first eco town of Punjab, spread over 13,000 acres. This is right next to the Sahyadri range. So once you are in Eco City, which is the first eco town of Punjab, you see the beautiful mountains in the backdrop. More than 50% has been kept for open and green spaces. There are two main roads in Chandigarh, Madhya Marg and Dakshin Marg. Both the roads are running into these areas. One road, Madhya Marg is already operational. Dakshin Marg would be operational in few months' time. There's a huge medical infrastructure also coming up in this area, which is spread over more than 350 acres of land by the name of Medicity. The Tata Cancer Hospital is almost on the verge of completion, which would be operational in few months' time. So there would be other medical facilities like PGI, Fortis, Max, Chaitanya, Garewal Eye Hospital. So there's a huge bunch of medical facilities which would be coming up in this area. Then everyone knows PCA Stadium Mohali. Now the international stadium is shifting to New Chandigarh, and this stadium is almost on the verge of completion. The Mohali Stadium was spread over 11 acres. Now this is almost in 44 acres of land. So you will have a stadium. Similarly, like there's a huge EduCity area or the educational facilities which are coming up in this area. So you will have institutes like Amity, Mahindra, King's College London. So you will have lots of professional and international colleges, institutes coming up in this area. So this area has a huge potential.
Talking about architecture, for example, this Florence Park, this was actually, if we talk about, we actually did a good research as what are the best architectures available across the globe and how it has been, how the evolution has really happened. So one of the beautiful architects you can get in Italy is the Florence city, where the Renaissance style of architecture actually evolved over there. So taking that theme, we actually came out with a project Florence Park, in which all whatever architecture features we can come out from that beautiful city, including the domes and different type of windows and different kind of moldings, we have put it over there, and person can really have a very warm feeling as if he's living in a little Florence city over there. Our both projects, Florence Park and La Parisienne, are, apart from the architecture, we take a great pride in the landscaping that we have to offer. We have in both the projects a central green parks. There are oxy gardens. There will be different mazes that we are developing over there. There will be a lot of gazebos over there. There will be a lot of floral or flowers-based theme parks over there. So a lot of landscaping components will be over there.
So there are facilities for all age groups. There are 4 theme-based parks for the kids, like Gulliver's World, Fantasy World, you have got Toddler's Corner. So these are how the parks are designed in such a way. Then you have got lots of facilities, sport facilities which are scattered throughout. You got a half basketball court, you got cricket practice pitch, you got yoga and meditation lawns, you got open sit-out areas, gazebos, and you've got badminton courts and tennis courts also. We have got a Club Iris, which is spread over 15,000 square feet. You got a restaurant, banquet facilities, you got a huge swimming pool in the front with sit-out areas and separate kids pool with slides. You got cards room, billiards room. So you have play school and crèche within the campus. So there are lots of facilities for all age groups. There's no vehicular movement in the central green area. So all the vehicular movement is on the outer parameter road. So once you enter this Florence Park, You either straight away hit the basement, you park your car around your apartment and you can take the lift and go to your apartment. Or if you are coming here to drop or pick someone, you move on the outer perimeter road and you can do the needful. All the towers have got a double heighted entrance lobby. So this gives you a feel of a hotel or entering a resort. So what you do is this acts as a security barrier and it has a lounge place as well. So in case you have guests and you're not at home, they can wait in the lounge or sit out areas and they can enjoy. We are about to offer possessions in few days time. Now we have got a mix of 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom and 3+ utility options in these towers. A 2-bedroom is spread over 1270 square feet. 3-bedroom, which is a 3-bedroom, 3-washroom option is 1520 square feet, and 3+ utility option is 1690 square feet. So the possessions are about to start by month end or the start of next month. Then we have got Orchid Towers, Orchid A and B, where we have got a 4-bedroom plus servant option, which is a 2480 square feet. And then we have got a 3-bedroom plus servant option as well, which is 2080 square feet. Then we have got Esther Towers, where we have a mix of 1800 square feet and 2020 square feet. 1800 is a 3-bedroom plus utility option and 2020 is a 3-bedroom plus servant option. Then we have got the iconic tower right in the center, Petunia, which is a fully loaded option, which is 3450 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom plus servant option, but this is a fully loaded option. It comes with air conditioning, European kitchen, European modular kitchen, bathroom fittings of Villeray and Bosch. So this is a totally fully loaded structure. We are entering a 4-bedroom plus servant option in the Orchid Tower. As we enter, we have the servant room, which is 10 by 10 into 6.6 with the attached washroom. And the servant has an access to the kitchen from the utility balcony. As we enter from the main door, we enter the living dining area. So as we can see, we get false ceiling in this area. And this is quite a huge living dining area attached with the kitchen. As we can see, we get a modular kitchen. This is a kitchen which is in L shape and this is spread over 12.9 into 9 feet. Then as we come out of the kitchen, we see the puja space. Then we enter the first bedroom, which is the guest bedroom, which is 11 by 15. It has a huge balcony attached to it. And this is common with the living dining area. It has a washroom attached. And as we move, we come to the second bedroom. This is again 11 by 15 and it has a washroom attached to it. And it has access to the balcony, which is almost 6 feet. Now we are moving to the third bedroom, which is 14 by 13. It has a separate rest area and it has a washroom attached to it. And then we have the master bedroom, which is 12 by 15. It has a separate rest area and washroom attached to it. We have all the rooms which are attached to the balconies. So natural light and wind ventilation is not an issue at Florence Park.
Not just the quality of construction with the best brands in the industry and high quality supervision. It is equally important that to give timely delivery of our flats to our customers. We are going to deliver 342 flats, phase 1, Primrose Tower 1, A, B, C in that.
But no one else heard the way of your words or felt.
We have utilized Kone elevators with the latest technology. For bathroom fittings, we are using Roka, American Standard and Brohe kind of bathroom fittings brands. We are using Merino for the door, which is one of the best companies in India. We are using Hittich fittings for our modular kitchen and also using double charge vitrified tiles for our flooring. So we take a pride in this that we have maintained all the quality of standard and we also delivered it on time vis-a-vis other competitors around.